How to implement run-to-failure maintenance. Run-to-failure maintenance may be implemented using many maintenance methods. This strategy can be adequately managed from memory. Other tools can also be used, including paper-based systems, spreadsheets, CMMS, and EAM systems. If an entire facility is working on a run-to-failure strategy, then CMMS and EAM systems will provide much more functionality than required. For facilities where run-to-failure is used for some assets and more complex strategies are used for other assets, the CMMS and EAM will allow these different types of maintenance strategies to happen simultaneously. A CMMS can also be useful to track the number of times the asset has been repaired or replaced and associated costs. A good run-to-failure maintenance strategy will likely require an inventory management tool because of the large number of spares that may be needed for breakdowns.